Your Excellency, Your Excellencies, Member of Security Council of United Nations, Your Excellencies, Member of General Assembly, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, this is Professor Lojani Senkunku. I'm the first Doctor of Philosophy in International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy. I'm Laura Kwachita, International Petroleum, Minerals, Energy Attorney, Expert, and a Diplomat of United Nations. As everybody knows that I'm the first no-Masonic, no-gay, and no-married Secretary General of United Nations, and the 10th after Antonio Guterres. Today we are November 8, 2025. I'm at Geneva. First of all, I want to thank God. I want to thank all people around the world that are watching the video, the message of UN Chief, the legitimate UN Chief, Professor Nkunku. You are 7 billion, vous êtes 7 milliards sur la planète qui suivez mon message chaque jour. Chaque jour. Le premier message, c'est que j'ai été encore empoisonné. Le poison est arrivé à 3094, ok, à la place Marianne. Donc, si les gens ne peuvent pas m'avoir dans leur loge, if people cannot see me in their loge, Masonic loge, blood sheet, they come to me where I'm praying, where I'm in a relation with God. They come there. That means I'm not interested to get in blood sheet. I'm not interested to be in your Masonic lodge. Ça signifie que je ne suis pas intéressé pour être dans vos organisations qui tuent, qui violent les femmes, qui violent les enfants, qui sont dans vos loges maçonniques. Je ne suis pas intéressé parce que c'est vous qui venez et vous venez manufacturer l'histoire pour dire que non, lui aussi a participé. Yesterday, they take me a photo. I think I have this mouchoir, white and black, and they want to take lawyer and they put people who die there. They celebrate a funeral. But if you do that without me, it's okay. But when you finish to do that, you associate me. You send the CIA came there to poison me because vous touchez à mon intégrité physique. Et quand vous touchez à mon intégrité physique, je vais être violent. Je vais être violent. J'ai le droit de me défendre. Okay? Article 51 give me the right of the UN Charter to defend, to self-defense. Okay? If people reach 3094 poison, that mean is not a joke. Okay? Si les gens sont arrivés à 3094 poisons, sans que je n'ai rien fait, I didn't wrong anyone. You are doing your activity, you are killing people. In USA, there is a military unit is kidnapping people. Trump, I'm not there. You are the president. You have to bring safety and security. It's not me. But what the CIA come to do to me, and you put in the tram. Oh, there is ce monsieur va bien. This man is well. He get in Oval Office and he collapse, but he's well. That you think me, I'm stupid. Biomathematics capped everything. I'm not interested to be president. I'm not interested to have American passport, America to get in politics in America. You are a president. I'm not. But I have a responsibility because people of America desert their own government. They forget their own president to come to see me. So I have a responsibility of people of China, people of Russia, people of France, people of Swiss, people of Asia, people of Africa. No one can stand for people of Africa, people of Latino, and the people around the world. I have this responsibility, but don't associate me with your terrible failure. The government shutdown is not me. Your killing in Tanzania is not me. You want to kill innocent people in Tanzania to destroy infrastructure. Biden steal a lot of money, asked 2,000 billion to Congress to build infrastructure. He never built. So Biden, I'm not in link with you. You're a killer with alien. Barack Obama is the chief of Boko Haram. I don't want any link with you. Okay? Oh no, someone will go to save him. I never will give you your opportunities. Someone come to save me. It's not you will decide in my country, Congo, that who going to be president or Oval Office. This house, the White House, was built by my ancestor, Michel Todehas. So you associate me in Oval Office, you give fake information in Trump. Oh, this man is well, in Oval Office is well, ce monsieur est bien. When you came to try to kill me in secret at Marial Place, I never meet you, you never check my hand, I never drink blood with you, I never fuck baby woman, rap woman with you. I don't want to be associated with you. Okay? Mama Samia Sulu never kill Tanzania. Is CIA, the same time you send CIA to Tanzania, to kill Tanzania, in the name of Mama Sulu presidency, the same time you send CIA to me at Marial Place, you put it in poison in toothpaste and everything. And you lie that it's okay in Oval Office. Okay? I don't want any passport of Swiss, family of Swiss, European family. I don't want any marriage. I'm priest ad vitam aeternam, and I'm asking Monseigneur Bienvenu Manabika to write to the diocese here in Suisse, Geneva. I'm not going to go to Fribourg. Okay? Monseigneur, je ne veux pas aller à Fribourg. J'étais à Fribourg quand j'étais étudiant à l'université de Lausanne, toujours dans le cas de prêtre. Je ne suis jamais allé en tourisme. Je suis allé chez le père en retraite spirituelle, chez le père Francis Ducré, à Placelbe. Les Fribourgeois le sauront, à Placelbe. Je suis allé là-bas, j'ai vécu là-bas, je suis allé en retraite de prière. Et il y avait aussi le père Otmar Scherer de Greschen, ils le savent, qui m'avait beaucoup soutenu. Donc toujours dans le cadre de Dieu. Mais je suis un grand scientifique. Les missiles que les Poutines sont en train de faire, moi je peux le faire. Je prends un groupe d'ingénieurs, je peux le faire. Je suis professeur de médecine nucléaire. Je suis professeur de biomathématiques. Vous ne pouvez pas expliquer 3094 poisons. Vos services secrets sont à genoux. Your secret services bow down like idiot. So I born in Congo Linzolo, and I become the first doctor of gas, petrol, and everything. And my qualification is relevant because if Putin and Xi Jinping does the fight for me to sit, the petroleum system of Russia never will stand again. Never. You see what they did to Iran? You see what they did in Iran? You see what they did to Venezuela? And thank you for the country, China. I think China want to support Venezuela. Thank you. But China and Russia must pay me a respect. Je vous ai écrit. Je sais que chez les prêtres là-bas, les lettres, on les vole. On les vole. Obama, la CIA, Obama. On bâtit un système pour voler même mes lettres avec les Suisses, en complicité avec les Suisses, à la poste et dans mon adresse. Mais je cherchais un moyen pour m'écrire, me donner le passeport. Je ne compte plus sur Fatih, je ne compte plus sur Fatih. Fatih m'a négligé, c'est bien. C'est bien aussi que le peuple africain puisse savoir. J'ai écrit au général Tiani, j'avais écrit à Traoré depuis longtemps. Depuis longtemps, je lui avais dit aussi que jamais je n'accepterai votre aide. Quand je t'écris, when I wrote to you, you don't pay me respect, finish. Finish. You don't pay me respect, you don't write back to me. when they escort me to my country by United Nations, because I never go to to my country as a civilian, no. I went as a diplomat, international diplomat escorted me. When I told Sassou that you are not a president because you killed Dr. Guy Brice Parfait Kolla, you are not a president. The delegation of the delegation of UN went in Brazil. They have to go to check the hand of President Lula. He's a good president. But when the delegation went to the Palais of Sassou, I didn't go. I didn't go. I tell the delegation, I will not go. Oh no, you're our expert. You have to go. I said no. He's not a president because they publish fake result. He's not president until today. France tried to invite him. Trump invited him, and everybody to invite him. For me, he's not a president. So Biya and Ouattara are not president because the Conseil constitutionnel a publié des faux résultats. Ils ont violé leur propre constitution. Le Conseil constitutionnel, je ne suis pas lié avec les résultats de l'intelligence artificielle. I'm not bounding by the result that of artificial intelligence make Paul Biya and Ouattara president. No, for me, at the United Nations, Biya and Ouattara are no